Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Glide Script. We are back on the series ServiceNow admin tutorial from 0 to advanced. In our previous videos, we covered the basics, what ServiceNow is, how to get your own personal developer instance PDI, and how to brand your ServiceNow instance to make it your own, or how you can brand as per your client or company requirement. Today we are jumping into something really practical, lists, filters and forms. If you are very new to the channel, I would love for you to join our community. Please subscribe to the channel and like and do share with your colleague who really needs help in ServiceNow learning. You can find links to the previous videos in the description below or by clicking the info button above. Alright, let's not waste any time. Let's dive into the today's topic. Before going further, I will open one Excel file. So in this Excel file, you can see these are the columns, column A, B, C, D, like this, and these are the rows. This is the table structure. We will see the same table structure in the ServiceNow as well. Let me open one table in the ServiceNow in front of you, incident. If I'll open incident table, you can open directly, you can click here. If I'll click here, it will open the list of items within the content frame. And if you want to open it into the new tab, just press Control and click, so it will open in the new tab. Okay, so you can see here we have different columns here, like column number, short description, like priority. So we have different columns, and we have rows also, the different rows. You can see here the different rows and columns. The same structure, you can correlate it with the Excel file. These are the columns and these are the rows. Here in the ServiceNow also, columns and row. How we can create this type of columns? This is the part of the table. When we will read the table, we will create our own table. As of now, this is the out of the box table in the ServiceNow incident table. So we have different columns and we have many rows. There is data inside rows. You can see this is one particular record. So how many records we have on a single page is out of 67. You have 20 records on a list of 20 records on a single page. So you can see list of records here. That's why it is called list view. The view that represents list of items is known as the list view. If I'll open this record in a new window, how you can open? You can click this preview or I button here and you can click on the open record. Or what you can do, just click on with control, click here, it will open in the new tab. So now this is the form view. This is not the list view. Form view will give you the broader aspect of any record. So this is the details of one particular record. See, I have opened INC and here is all details related to this particular record only. Come to the list view. You can see on the top of the URL, you can see incident underscore list. If anybody will ask you what is the table name of any open record, then you will tell this is the table name. Here it is incident.list. If I'll open another like problem, I'll show it to you, problem, and click all, let it open. See the problem.list underscore list. So this is the table name of this open record. Just close it for now. Here it also in the problem also these are the list of the problem records. You can see here, let me show. This is the incidents written here, incidents, but here it is written incident. So incidents is the label and this is the table name, backend name. This is not the table name, this is the label only. For example, number, open, short description, these are label. You can see here how you can check. Just click on any field, like right click, you can see this is the number. See, this is the number, backend name, and this number is the label only. If I'll click on the right caller, you can see caller ID. Caller ID is the backend name and field name, and caller is the label only. Similarly here also this is incident underscore list. Incident is the table name and incidents is the label of that particular table. So whenever you will open anything in ServiceNow, your table name will be in the URL. And if you are in the list view, it will open with underscore list. So please remember, if you are in the list view, like we are in the list view, it will open like incident underscore list. But if you are in the form view, like this is the form view, it will like incident.do. So incident.do. This ID is a unique 32-digit ID. We will get to know later. This is the unique ID associated with every record in the ServiceNow. So here this ID is related to this record only. So in the ServiceNow there are only two views, the list view and form view. There are only two views. This is the list view and this is the form view. So you know what is the list and what is the form. If someone will ask you what is the list, you can say a list displays a set of records from a table within the content frame. This is the content frame, so you can say it like this. Now what is the filter? Okay, let me open Excel file. This is the Excel file. If I'll ask you how you can apply filter here, because I want to filter department by IT only. So what we can do, we can apply filter here. How we can apply the filter? You can click on the filter here, or in the home you can go here, sort and filter, just apply. You can apply the filter from here. Now we can sort our data by the department IT. So if I'll click IT, we have only 4 record out of 18. Come to the service now. How you can apply filter? Similarly here, see there is a funnel icon in the sort and filter. This is the funnel icon. Once you will open any table in ServiceNow, we have a common funnel icon. It's called filter. So if we click on this filter, see here there are 3 options. It is field, operator and value. These are the components of filter. So it is very important question when you will apply for the CSA exam. This question will be definitely there. What are the components of filter? So you can say this is the field, operator and value. So if you click on the field, and there are a lot of options are here. You can see we have a lot of options. These fields are coming from the incident table because we have open incident table. If you open any other table, this field will be come from that particular table. So please remember, this is not common for all. Here there are only few fields are available. Fields means columns. There are only few columns are present. But if I'll click on this option, there are a lot of columns. So why it is? Because the service now by default selected the default view. That's why these fields are coming from the default view. When we will create our own view, then we can select these columns as per our requirement. As of now, just click on this field. I want to apply filter on category. See, these are the columns from the incident table: category, priority, state, short description, color. So for example, I want to apply filter by the category. I'll select field here, category, all options for the operator. So you can select as per the requirement of filter. Here I want to select category is software. So category is, if we click on the value, all values of this category will be here. I want to select software. How to apply this filter? For this, you will click on the run filter. See there, this is the option run filter. Click on run. See, the filter is applied. You can see here filter condition category is equal to software. So out of 67, we have now 13 records are filtered. Now I want to apply again filter. I want priority should be like priority is critical only. The category is software and priority is critical only. I don't want to see other than the critical priority records. For that, click again on the filter icon. This time we have, see, there are 2 conditions are here, and or. I hope you all know about what is the and or. In brief, I want to say, if you select and, so all filter conditions should be matched, then this filter will run. If you select or, so any of the condition will be matched, the filter will run. And condition, all the condition, like if you select one, more than one, like n number of condition, all should be matched. So here I will select and. This time I will select priority. Priority is critical. You can select her. If I click on the run, so out of 13, now we have only 6 records are left. And you can see here the category is software and priority is 1. This is the filter condition. So how many records? 7 records we have. So now I want to apply filter on the state column. So click again on the funnel icon. Click on the end of condition. Select field state now. State. So state I want only in progress. So state is the value will be in progress. Click on the run. So now we have only 3 records. So all conditions should be matched. If I click again on the funnel, if I'll click or, this time I'll select or, and then I'll apply filter. So I'll select category. Category is like hardware. In this case, these 3 conditions should be matched. Now if I want to run the or condition, so category is software, or this time I will select state. State is in progress. So what will happen? Both condition run. The category is software or state is in progress. See, let's see. Almost all records are here. See, the category is software also, and the state is in progress. Click on the funnel icon. By this way, you can apply filter as per the requirement. Just remove it. Now select again. I want category is software, priority is critical, and state is in progress, and click on the run. So this is the filtered records. Out of 67, now we have 3 records. You can see here, once you apply filter, this will be displayed. You can see that this is the filter condition, or category software, then priority is equal to 1 and the state is in progress. It can be represented as a circle for each condition, like outer and inner circle. The outermost circle can be removed by clicking on the greater than icon, and this icon is called nothing but breadcrumb, and it might be asked in interview, have you ever heard about breadcrumbs? Then you can explain these things, what is the breadcrumb. So once you click on this, the left hand side, the next filter will be removed. See, once you click here, the state is in progress will be removed. See, that is removed. Now we have 7 records. If you click again on this greater than icon than the breadcrumb, this condition will be removed. See here, you can read it, remove next condition. So you can remove the next condition. If you click here, all filter condition will be removed. See, now we have 67 records. See, now we have 67. So all filters are removed. We can apply a filter by a shortcut method also. If you want to apply filter on any column, just right click on any, like I want to apply filter on category and I want only software. So just right click on the software and click show matching. So it will show only software, and you can see here the condition in the same way. See, the category is equal to software. Again, you can apply on the priority. I want critical only, right click on the critical and click on show matching. Then you can apply on the state also. In progress, just right click and click on show matching. The filter will be applied. Again, if you don't want to see new record, the state is new, you don't want to see like this new record. So just right click on it and click filter out. So all new records will be filtered out. Just see, right click on new. See, all new records have been, you can see here, state is not equal to new or state is equal to null. We can use this condition, filter condition, when we will read scripting. At that time, it will be very helpful. So how we can save this filter? Like we have applied the filter, and how we can save this? Then what we'll do, just click on the save, give any name, like I will give the demo filter. Just give any name. There are 3 options: visible to me, it means it will be visible to you only; everyone, if you select everyone, it will be visible, this filter will be visible to everyone; and group, if you will select group, so if whatever group you will select here, like I will select software, so member of the software group will be able to see this filter. As of now, I don't want to select any of the group, or I will select visible to me only, and just click here save. Click on the save. Once you will click, it is saved already. And how we can make it favorite? I want, for example, if your manager, incident manager, will ask you and give you some conditions, and based on conditions he will ask, okay, every morning I want to see this, based on these filters I want to see the incident, I don't want to see all the incident, and he will give you some conditions, and he will ask you to mark as a favorite. So I don't want to go and search, I will click here and then I will see. For that, what we will do, to mark as favorite, just click here and then go like create favorite. Click here and create favorite. It will ask you to, you can change the name also. So I will write here demo incident, choose any color, choose anything, logo, click on done, and just refresh it. Still it is not showing here. We have, how many records we have? We have 8, but it is not showing here. It is showing all 67. For that, click on the favorites and see demo incident. Once you click here, see, this was the requirement, how to make favorite of any filters we applied. Okay, again open, I want to open the new tab. I want to change this view. I don't want to see all of the columns. I want to change this. I have to create a personal view. How we can create our view? For that, just click any of this column 3 dot icon, anywhere, you just right click, go to the configure and click on the list layout. I'll tell again, click any of this column header, like short description, number, anywhere. Just right click, go to the configure and click on the list layout. Once you click, see there are 2 buckets is open. This is the available, all the fields from the incident table, whatever table will be selected like incident. See, this is the incident underscore list. So this is from the all fields is coming from the incident table, and these are the selected. That's why we are seeing these columns because of this. These are the selected. So I want to create my own view. For that, you can see here the view name is default view. Right now it is selected default. Just scroll down, click on the new, give your view name. So I'll give any like custom view. Click OK. Now the view name is selected custom. I don't want these things. For that, how to remove this? Just you can select one by one, click on the remove. This is the add and this is remove. Click here. If you want all, just click remove it. I want number, and then I don't need open also. I need color on the top after number. You can add another field from here. How to add these things? Just select priority. I need, just add it. So I need only 4 columns. That's it. Click on save. You can see here the view is still the default view. Our custom view is not yet applied. So how we can apply our custom view? Click on this context menu like hamburger icon, then click on the view, go to the view. Now select your whatever view you have created, just click on that. So I have created custom view. I'll click custom view. See, now I have only 4: number, color, short description, and priority. By this way, you can create your own view. Now the view has been applied. This is the personalized list. Once you click here, see, this is the personalized list collector. You can here also you can change what columns you want to see or not. So open if you don't want, just click here. If you don't want to updated by you want color on the second, you want priority down. See, by this way you can do anything. And like you don't want to see assign to, just remove it. And then you don't want to see anything, okay, that's it, click okay. By this way you can personalize. This is the action on selected rows. So if I'll click on any row, like for this example, if I'll select this, so these actions you can take on this particular record only. Like you can archive the record, you can delete with preview like this, and then you can add tag, you can remove tag from here. What are the tag, how we can assign our tag, why tags are used, all of things we will get to know. And this is the show activity stream in a fly out window. What is this? Once you'll click here, a fly out window will open here. It is very important if someone is working on a ticket, he can check the activities on the incident. For example, if I'll open this incident and if I'll type work note like incident has been updated, something like this, anything update will happen, just post it. See, incident has been updated. If I'll go here, refresh the page, click on the activity stream, and see, you can see the activity, just incident has been updated. And you can open directly that particular record also. System administrator has updated this work note, field change, this previous 7 years ago, 6 years ago, something is updated related to this incident. If you want to change to the default view, just click here, it will show you the default view. You can go here and click on the show, and you can select how many records you want to see on a single page, like 10, 15, 50 out of the, if you'll select 100, so if you will see all records on a single page. And then another thing is, if you'll click here and then the group by. What is group by? Group by means segregating the data. Group by means segregating the data. Group by is responsible to segregate the data or group the data in a single line, and it is applicable to all columns, not on the single. So whatever columns you want to group by, for example, if you want to group by the priority, just right click here, group by, and click on the group by priority. See, here you'll have to select particular columns if you want to see the group by, like group by priority. So it will show you the how many critical records we have, 27. You'll click here, expand the group, so all the critical records will be present here. Similarly, you have the high and moderate priority. See, these are the records, only 5 records with the priority number 4. And ungroup, you can ungroup, click on the ungroup, it will be ungrouped. If you want to group by the category, just click on the group by category. Category, we have 10 records. See, in the help, inquiry and help, we have 33. So if you want to ungroup, just click on the ungroup. Now open any particular record, This is the form view. These are the fields, and everything is will be personalized here. Like similarly here also, this is the attachment. You can attach any picture or something. Then same, this is the activity stream. See the activity. If you click here, you can see the activities, and you can type update any work notes related to this particular record. And this is the personalized form. Whatever you want to field you want to see, like for I don't want to see assignment group, I want to category request, anything you can remove like this. And you can click minus here also. You can just personalize it. But remember, you cannot remove any field which is mandatory. See this, the star mark, it means it is mandatory fields. It cannot be removed. See here also it is grayed out. Okay, add one reset. So whatever you will change in the personalized, it will applicable to you only. This is the personalized. It will not applicable to any, so for the all. If you click on this three dot, if you click on the email, you can send directly email for this record. See, to, you can select to cc and everything. You can attach some file, and then you can send, attach file, whatever you will attach, and you can send. These are called buttons. See, this is follow, update, resolve, delete. We can create our own buttons also, but creating buttons is called UI action. UI action, if you click here, it will, something will happen. Like if I'll click on the resolve, see, something is happening. You can create your own UI action. For now, just know these are the buttons you call UI actions. And these are sections. We will create our own section. Once you read the table, I will explain you how we can create our sections. These are called related list. Also, we can create our own related list. In next video, I will start table. It is very important topic, and I will make it in two parts, because in one part it will be very long video. So I will make it in two parts, part 1 and part 2. Until then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you for watching.